Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a step-by-step guide and I'll show you how to create a Cloud API key. Step number one, set up your account. So first of all, you need to set up the Anthropic console. So because this is the account you're going to use to create the API key, sign up using your email or Google account, then complete the basic onboarding info. That's basically name, individual, organization. Okay, so basically, if you're going to use it as an individual, choose individual. If at all you're going to use it as an organization, maybe for your company, choose company or organization. Then find your wallet. You need to find your wallet. By doing that, just go ahead and tap on the navigation settings, choose billing via the left sidebar, and then click buy credits. So you can use your card, maybe Visa or any other. And the amount is usually around $5 to activate an API. After that, generate the API. Click on the API key in the left navigation side bar. Select Create Key. Then choose Provide a descriptive name. After that, choose your name and then create the key. So basically, after doing that, go ahead and save the secret key and then copy it immediately. So basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.